Hi, welcome to all. Today I will tell you Java vector class. The vector class is a generic type and it is available in the java.util package. Before going to learning what is vector and the constructors of vector and methods of the vector, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Now let's go to understand what is a vector class. Vector class implements a growable array of objects. That means it holds the objects and it can be growable. Next one, like an array, it contains components that can be accessed using an integer index. That means each and every element of the vector can be accessed by using the index integer. Next one, the size of the vector can grow or shrink as needed to accommodate adding and removing the items after the vector has been created. That means the vector size can be incremented or decremented. Next one, each vector tries to optimize storage management by maintaining a capacity and capacity main increment. Next one, the capacity is always at least as large as the vector size. An application can increase the capacity of vector before inserting a large number of components. Now let's understand the constructors of the vector class. The constructors are: first one, a vector without having any parameters. That means it is a non-parameterized constructor, whereas the constructs an empty vector so that its internal data array has size 10 and its standard capacity increment is 0. That means initially it holds 10 elements in the vector. Next constructor is a vector with an integer parameters. That means it needs to specify the initial capacity. That means constructs an empty vector with the specified initial capacity and its capacity increment equal to the 0. Next, another third constructor is vector with initial capacity and capacity increment. That means constructs an empty vector with the specified initial capacity and capacity increments. That means you can specify, for example, vector with 10 is the initial capacity and you can specify the capacity increment 20. That means after the 10 elements, it increases the capacity increments the next 20 elements. Now let's understand what are the methods are available in vector class. First one, add method. It is used to add the elements at the end of the vector. That means appends the specified element to the end of this vector. Next method is add an element at the specified index. That means inserts the specified element at the specified position in this vector. Next method is element yet. That means we can get the element at the specified index. Next one, elements method, whereas it is returning enumeration. That is returns an enumeration of the components of this vector. Next method is first element. It is used to return the first element of this vector. That means the item at the index of 0. Next one, last element, returns the last component of this vector. Next, remove, removes the element at the specified position in this vector. That means we can remove the element at the given index. Next one, size, returns the number of components in this vector. That means it gives the actual elements which was added into the vector. But capacity is means maximum storage number of elements, but size is to specify the current elements in the vector. Next one, trim to size. The trims to size method is used to trims the capacity of this vector to the vector's current size. Now, in this video, I was given what is vector and the constructors of the vectors and methods of the vector. In the next video, I will give you the examples with the vector class. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications.